In this video, you will learn how to edit your client's information on Paragon. If you already set up your client in Paragon and you need to make changes to their profile, this is how you do it. First, you click on Contacts. Then, View Manage Contacts. Then you will see a list of all your contacts. Click on the client name. On the left-hand side, you will see the folders. Click on Contact Information. You can change the email address, add a phone number, or even add a spouse or secondary person. Make sure you click on the Notify button for the second person. You can also make this client active if they are currently an active client with you, or inactive if you are not currently working with them. Whenever you're ready to continue, you can always click on Save on the upper left corner. And now you know how to edit your client's information on Paragon. If you have any questions, please contact tech support at 925-730-7100. Thank you.